In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Microsoft Edge from opening PDF files. If Edge keeps launching its built-in PDF viewer when you click a PDF link, and you'd rather use your preferred application instead, this quick setting change will fix it. We'll adjust a single toggle so PDF open externally, meaning they'll hand off to your system's default PDF app, like Adobe Acrobat or another viewer you. Setup. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. Look to the top right corner for the three dots, often called the Settings and More menu. Click that, then choose Settings from the drop-down. This is where Edge keeps all of its preferences. And the change we need is just a few clicks away. If you have multiple Edge windows open, it can help to do this in the window where you typically browse, so the behavior feels consistent right away. Inside Settings, glance to the left side for the navigation panel. Click Site Permissions. This section controls how Edge handles different types of content and interactions on websites. And it includes a dedicated area for PDFs. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover to expand it so you can see the labels clearly. Once you are in Site Permissions, scroll down through the list until you find PDF Documents. Then click it to open the PDF-specific options. You'll see a switch labeled Always Open PDF Files Externally. Turn this to On. That's the key setting. With this enabled, Edge will no longer display PDF in its built-in viewer. Instead, when you click a PDF online, Edge will hand it off to your default PDF application. Depending on your system setup, you may see a brief prompt, or the file may download and open directly in your chosen app. This makes it easier to use advanced tools, annotations, or features you are already comfortable with in your desktop PDF software. From this point forward, PDFs you access in Edge will open outside the browser, using the default application configured in your operating system. If you ever change your mind and want to use Edge's viewer again, just return to the same PDF Documents page and switch the toggle back off. If the option looks unavailable or you don't see it, make sure Edge is up to date. And be aware that some work or school devices may have this setting managed by an administrator. That's all you need to do to stop Microsoft Edge from opening PDF files. Thanks for watching.